Hello students. Now today is your second day with me. But subject is very different. It is not related to last lecture's subject. Today's subject is statistics. Now again same thing I am explaining you. Sir, accountancy. If I am calling about accountancy, telling about accountancy, same way as statistics also. In statistics also. And many of you have a knowledge about statistics. This subject is not new in 11th standard. And if you have decided I need commerce or science, in both stream, statistics is there. In both stream, statistics is there. Now, what is the important thing? What is today's lecture? Again, as per last lecture, what we have done in last lecture? Meaning of accountancy. And I had proved it. All of you know what is accountancy. And you have a knowledge about it. But you don't know whatever you are doing, it is called account. Same way. Same way. All of you know statistics also. And here you can say, sir, we know what is statistics. Because in 10th standard, one chapter is there, statistics. And in that, we have learned many things. And that's why we know what is statistics. So, appreciate them who know what is statistics. But real meaning of statistics. Really, what is the statistics actually? That I want to explain to all of you. I don't know. What was your last experience regarding that chapter? Sir, that was very easy chapter. But today I am not telling about chapter. I am explaining you about this subject. What is statistics? Today we are going to understand only one thing. Actually, what is the statistics? Can you think and give me the answer? I am giving you few minutes. Why? Why I am giving you few minutes? To think. Because you cannot give answer currently. But you can think. How you are feeling about statistics? What is statistics? What you are understanding? With which subject you are comparing it? I will give you answers which you are thinking in your mind. I will give you that answers. Because I need to explain you many things. What you are understanding with subject statistics. With which you are comparing it. Think. Many students have answers, different answers. And most of the students thinking, sir, statistic is nothing but mathematics. Many students can say, sir, statistics is maths. It is 100% maths. But Kamal sir not agree. Statistics is maths. Sir, it's not possible. It's a maths. Because in 10th standard, in mathematics, one chapter is there, statistics. All of we know. Then how it is not maths? So I can prove it. all of you know statistics, but you don't know it is a statistics like accountancy. All of you know accountancy methods, but before my explanation that was not clear. It is called accountancy. Same way here also, all of you know what is statistics, but concept of statistics you don't know, and that's why I am telling it is not mathematics, and that I need to prove today. Say statistics, all of you know. Sir, it is maths. Don't confuse us. One chapter is there. Suppose it is a maths. One chapter is there. Then why this book is prepared? Why this statistics subject is there? Somewhat difference may be there. Somewhat extra things are there. And that's why it is statistics. Yes, we can compare, we can say it is like mathematics. It is not a mathematics. Statistics is like maths, but it is not actually maths. So, now tell us what is statistics. So, I am explaining you about first mathematics. What is maths? So, sir, maths is showing calculation methods. Here we are understanding statistics, but for that understanding we need to clear concept about mathematics also. So today's lecture is for introduction of statistics. Here I have written chapter number 1, collection of data, but without understanding subject we cannot go ahead, and that is Kamal's method. Sorry, you have to understood. Now calculation. Maths subjects means calculation. It show you calculation only, but it is not statistics. So what do you want to tell us? I think all of you know tables. What is the answer of 4 to the? Sir, are you joking? All of you know 4 to the 8. I agree with all of you. Yes. This is mathematics. It is not statistics. Sir, 5 plus 15. What is the answer? 20. Sir, we are now in junior college. Don't ask this type of question to us. But that's why I told you, all of you know statistics. But you don't know it is called statistics. Now, first of all, I am clearing the concept about mathematics. So maths means calculation, and calculation means this type of calculations. It is explained in mathematics. Now, sir, what is the difference of statistics? All of you know, yes, this is the mathematics. Now going ahead, up to this level, it is state. It's a mathematics. Now going ahead, and then after, suppose you are getting some data, and that data 20, 30, 40, and you want to find average also. So that average calculation is in mathematics. So total of these three, divide by 3. So sir, 20, 30, 40, 50, 40, 90. 90 upon 3. Sir, answer is 30. So its average. That is also part of it is the average. This is also part of mathematics. So this is maths. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, averages. This all the things is mathematics. Now sir, what is statistics? Because up to this level we understood only this is also a statistic. Now I am adding one thing in all these three situations. I am adding one thing in all these three situations. So try to understand. Suppose I am telling to all of you 2 rupees pen you need to purchase. Pen price 2 rupees and you need to purchase pen of 2 rupees price. But you need number of pens 4. You need to purchase your requirement 4 pens. So number of pen 4 units we require. Now I am asking one question. What is your expenditure? How many rupees you require to purchase 4 pens? How many rupees you require? 4 twos are, sir, 8 rupees. And this 8 rupees I require. That is my expenditures. Simplest one. It is my expense. Now my question was, how many rupees you require? What is your expenditure? If you are purchasing 4 pens, so my expenditure is 8 rupees. My requirement of money 8 rupees. And if you are explaining that thing, then it becomes statistics. Then it becomes statistics. So this is the very important one to understand what is the difference between statistics and maths. Sir, here 4 twos are 8. That we have understand in mathematics. 4 twos are 8 double. That we have understood in mathematics. But on that basis, we have explaining something. That is called statistics. So this is the difference between maths and statistics. And that we can write in theory also. But again, first day for statistics, I am not giving you or explaining you any chapter. I am explaining you only one thing. That is, all of you know, I want to prove all of you know statistics, but you don't have a knowledge. It is called statistics. And that's why mathematics is different, statistics is different. Now from 11th standard, one subject is there which is called statistics. Now statistics has many names also. It is also called operation research, which is a part of statistics actually. Operation research, analytical maths, mathematics. Sometimes mathematics word is used. Business mathematics. Now business mathematics, indirectly it is a statistics. Because in that books, in that subjects, actually what we are doing analysis. taking many decisions, and that's why it is called statistics. Now all of you can very easily understand many things on this explanation, but today I am not interested to explain you theory. You think about it, and then next time I will tell you about the theory of statistics. But today I am explaining only examples. So this is my first example. Try to bifurcate what is maths, what is statistics, and when it is called statistics. So statistics is a wide which use mathematical methods. By using mathematical methods, statistics is working. Without maths, statistics is not possible. But statistics is a different from maths. So this is my first example. Simple question second. This we have done in second, third, fourth standard. I know. That's why I am telling to all of you. It is called statistics. Now 5 plus 15 are 20. It is called mathematics. But suppose, simple question. You have 5 rupees and some person has given you 15 rupees. How many total rupees you have? So 20 rupees. So if I am connecting this with some data, it becomes statistics. Up to this, it is a mathematics. By using mathematics, I am getting some information. In my pocket, 20 rupees is that. So that information I am getting, so it becomes statistics. So by using maths, we have take decision, that is mathematics. Now sir, what is this? Average 30. All of you know how we can find average. All of we know how we can find average. But think, what is this? We are connecting this with some data. Suppose you are getting 20 marks in first subject, 30 marks in second subject, 40 marks in third subject. You have given 3 exams, 3 subjects exam of 50 marks. From 50 marks, you have received 20, 30 and 40 marks. Now here I have find average of these marks. So what is this? Sir, it is the average of marks. So can we say your average marks is 30? Your capability to get marks is 30. That is the analysis. Now you have to improve it. So 30 marks, it means we can say 60% marks I got. And 60% marks. 60% marks I got. So it is your analysis. It is your analysis. So 30 is the average which we can find by using mathematical method. But on that basis, what we are doing? Getting information. My capability is to get 30 marks, average 30 marks. Average subject's marks is 30. That analysis we are doing, that is statistics. So here is a difference between maths and statistics. Now what is statistics? What we are going to understand in this book, in this statistics book, what we are going to understand, that is, I have explained to all of you, we are using mathematical methods and then doing analysis on that basis. Then analysis methods we are doing in 11th standard. How we can analyze different things, what decisions we can take on that basis, what are the future calculations, that we can calculate, that we can assume in present. And that is the very important thing which we can understand by this statistics. So up to this level, 10th standard, you have learned only and only mathematics. Now you are getting specialization, and in 11th standard, in statistics subjects, by using that methods, you are assuming about the future. You can take decision about the future, and you can really, if you are a proper statistician, then your assumptions will be perfect, and that is very important. So today I am giving you one definition about statistics, which is given by, according to Croxton and Counter. This two person has given definition of statistics, because our chapter's name is what? Collection of data. That is, doesn't matter. Today, what we are clearing only one thing. According to Croxton and Counter, what is statistics? Now think about this. Actually, I don't want to explain that thing, but explaining you so that you can understand easily today itself. Statistics is the science. It's a science because there is calculations, perfect values, perfect averages. So it's a science. In science, there is not an assumption. Everything is perfect. And same way here, it is a science which, as per Croxton and Counter, science which deals with, this science deals with which? Collection. Collecting something. Here, what we have collected? Sir, 2 rupees is pen price. We need 4 units. Then we can find 8 rupees is my expense. That is collection. Collection. Second, analysis and interpretation of numerical data. Again, I am repeating. Try to understand. Collection. I have collected here pen price, number of unit required. Here 5 rupees in my pocket, so I have knowledge about 5 rupees in your pocket. What you have received extra 15 rupees you have received. So that two information I have collected. Here I collect your marks, 20 marks, 30 marks, 40 marks, and on that marks basis I have calculated average of your marks. So first of all, collection, analysis. What is the analysis? 30 marks is your average. That is the analysis. Your capacity is 60% to get marks. Interpretation of numerical data. I can say your work in study. In study, you are very low because you are getting 60 marks, or maybe you have not worked properly to study. Simple. So this is what interpretation. In that case, given by whom? Croxton and Counter. So as per Croxton and Counter, what is statistics? Statistics is collection, analysis and interpretation of numerical data, which can be counted. That we will discuss later. But in today's lecture, I can tell you only one thing. Here, introduction of statistics is there. Don't think it is mathematics. Mathematics is a part of statistics. Statistics is a big subject. If with mathematics, analysis is there, interpretation is there, then it becomes statistics. Analysis and interpretation included in it, then it becomes the statistics. Now, I am not giving you much more load. Meeting in next lecture with different topics, and that is related to collection of data. Bye bye. Meeting you. Bye bye.